Why is it that, to this day, SaaS hasn't seen a major breakthrough anywhere in the world? When it comes to SaaS, those who truly know how to develop and understand code don't understand the business, and those who understand the business don't get the numbers. It's like the Yangtze and the Yellow River having a conversation, but there's always this huge embankment between them. In the future, the trillion-dollar companies that emerge from the consumer internet will definitely be on the industrial internet. Whoever can solve this problem will create a trillion-dollar company, and it has to be platform-based. Take our role at Dongfeng, for example. This is a 100 billion level company, and it could even become a 200 billion company. It operates based on product logic, so what we call efficient operations is reflected in the product itself. That's why becoming a several hundred billion company is already an incredible achievement. Here we have another company. This company is worth over 10 billion. If we apply the set of logic to it, it all depends on how much they can truly understand. If they really master it, then they'll become an outstanding company. B2C integration means that B2B stores and C2C consumers achieve seamless integration through internet technology and digital systems. This enables the connection of B2B and C2C awareness, transactions, and relationships throughout brand communication, marketing, and distribution, linking them across online, offline, and community channels. Business operations become online, data becomes an asset, and assets are integrated into business operations. We extensively use platforms like Taobao, Tmall, or JD.com. These are public domains. Each purchase is a one-off transaction, preventing manpower reuse. Large enterprises still need to build their own appetite systems, where reuse costs nothing. Establish a data-driven business operation system. Currently, data mostly serves as a reference for decision-making, but in the future, truly outstanding companies will be those whose businesses are data-driven. Amazon is a typical example of a data-driven business. Leveraging data assets to carry out standardized operations for front-end business is actually quite remarkable. I can more or less understand the fundamental logic of the future industrial internet. There could be trillion-dollar companies, or even, for the first time in human history, a company worth 10 trillion. Such companies would be truly powerful because they would genuinely achieve the Internet of Everything, possess deep machine learning, and have real artificial algorithmic logic. As long as you inject enough data and build a sufficiently good model, and if it has its own knowledge capabilities, it will continuously iterate new patterns, allowing your efficiency to be optimized to the extreme. For example, ROE could go from 20 to 30, then from 30 to 40. At that point, even the CEO might become obsolete, because the machine brain will have already developed this capability. It gives you the answers and solves problems with those answers. In the future, such a platform would make the company incredibly strong, but as for who that company will be, no one knows yet.